Hello everybody, it's Ethan, and this video will be different than what you've seen in the past few years. I'll be doing a food review. Specifically, I'll be reviewing Wendy's Krabby Patty from SpongeBob SquarePants. And to believe that this is just not some ordinary sandwich that I got from Wendy's, here's its Frosty. Pineapple, like SpongeBob's house. So, let's start the review. Yep, definitely looks like it's from the show, because the way it depicts is the lettuce on the bottom and the tomato on the top. And guess what? They didn't forget the pickles. Smells nice. Anyway, time to dig in. Not bad. Stuff. You see, I'm not really a big fan of veggies. I'm not really a veggie guy, so this is a first for me. So, I'm more of a meatitarian. So yeah. I'm not gonna finish the rest because of, again, veggies, so yeah. But other than that, it's a good sandwich. I like it. And now let's try the Frosty. Alright. Alright. It's really good. Definitely heavy on the pineapple. Give it to, this SpongeBob's house. Because the pineapple under the sea. Well, I like it. Some good stuff. So is the burger. SpongeBob did not. He did not let this down. He did good. So, remove the veggies. That's more like. So, I'll rate this with the veggies I'll rate the burger around 7 out of 10. It's good, but I'll not topple the Baconator, because that's my favorite burger from Wendy's. And the pineapple frosting, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Some good stuff. I do like pineapple, though, but not the fruit. So, you get the idea. So, that concludes this food review. It's a very short one, but you might see some more like this. So, I bid you all a good day. See you tomorrow when I upload. Quick update. The more that I think about it, the Krabby Patty from Wendy's would be around 5 out of 10. Not bad, but not good. It could have been better. To live up to the magic of the Krabby Patty within the show. Because it's supposed to be a good burger. It's supposed to cure hypnosis and cure illnesses. But asking too much. But it should have been really good. But it's just moderate at best. But at least it doesn't give a bad taste in my mouth. That's the best rating I can get for this burger. Anyway, have a good night. See you when I upload.